On today's episode, we will be visiting the Ringing Rocks in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. These are known to resonate like a bell when struck. Before you do take a trip, bring a hammer with you. Don't forget like these three did. Stay safe and have fun, and enjoy.
So some guy
Yeah.
where I work, he
Okay.
told me if I was ever in the area
Okay.
to go check that out.
This one?
Yeah, these rocks. He says bring a hammer and hit them. And you could hear them
Oh, like the,
ringing or
oh,
something.
nice.
So I forgot the hammer.
I did not know either. But oh, there's some metal.
Oh, yeah.
All metals.
So I'm like, yeah, sure, why not? Let's give it a try. Slippery.
Not bad, actually. Didn't expect it. Oh, wow, nice. I guess people have been smashing it.
You see, right? Alright, we don't have a hammer, but we have metal things. Yeah, a lot of people have been smashing this.
Yeah, I can see it. People can
Ooh!
see it's a difference.
So I know this ain't a hammer, but you know, this will do.
Yeah, this is no good. You need a bigger like that. Piece of metal, bigger piece of metal like that. That's good.
Gross.
I'm not sure if the sound is coming from this metal or from this.
Right.
But when you read, I can literally feel it.
Not
Oh, that's no good.
Ooh, what the?
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Join, like, subscribe, and comment.